Making a save system for the game is not that easy, so here is how I made it. Okay boys, it's develop time. So it's been a long time since I uploaded the oh no. It fixed, my boys. By the way, I daily upload content to Instagram. If you wanna check it out, it's linked in the description. So for the saving system, I'm gonna use PlayerPrefs. If you don't know already, it's a really easy and great way to save your progress in a game. As you can see, we are inside of the registry. You can find really messy folders here, like there we go. There's our save file. Yeah, you don't need to look at all of this. Yeah, it's there. So our file is now inside the registry, as you can see it there. Yeah, it's nothing to look at. Now we just need to load it back inside of the game with PlayerPrefs.get float or bool or whatever you want to get out of that registry file. So now I'm just gonna fuck up my entire life, and after 10 hours of coding, I finally managed to load in that shit and make it work. So like I'm dead. And by the way, I also made a chest. The chest supposed to work in a way that it choose a number between the number of items that it can pick, so like 1 and 6 in our goddamn situation, and 6 minus 1 because this is how C# works. Don't ask. And then based on that number, it's gonna choose a type of weapon and spawn it down. Yeah, we have a clearly working chest which drops a pick-upable item like an assault rifle, a pistol, or some potions, or a shield mechanic, which is really cool, and I implemented that too. If you remember that, if you follow me on Instagram, okay, I'm gonna tell you. So I made a shield. You can pick it up, and then your health increases by 50. So you have 150 health, which is like, you know, if you're a newbie, then that helps. But if you're an epic gamer like me, clearly, then you don't need that fucking shit. Okay? You don't need it. Okay, so this is it. This is my whole fucking progress, like in clearly 1 month. Yeah, I also reworked a bunch of shit, and I started writing a story, which we, by the way, wrote without spoilers in a stream. If you wanna check it out, I stream every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday on 3 p.m. GMT plus 1 time, if that makes sense. Cool. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.